everyone, welcome to my video. Today we have this wonderful table that someone thought would be really nice to be painted, but I know for a fact that there is going to be some incredible wood underneath all of that paint. And true enough, it really was beautiful wood. I believe it's imbuia. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I believe that there is just the most beautiful wood underneath all of this paint. And so the very first thing to do is to strip this paint off and try to get to the wood underneath. So in essence, I'm using quite a strong stripper because the paint was quite thick, but just that bubbliness is so satisfying to watch. It really works incredibly well to get all of that paint off and not have to scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape for hours on end, because I know for a fact that I'm going to be sanding and sanding and sanding for ages and ages. So if I could use something that's really easy to get the paint off, I am happy to do so. What I'll essentially be doing is having a look at the scratches on the wood, if there are any dents or things that would need fixing. But as I was scraping, as I was getting this paint stripper off, I realized that it was really in quite good condition underneath all of that paint. So if you are interested, I have made an ASMR video of this paint stripping process, so you are more than welcome to go and have a look at that. I'll be putting a card up in the corner for that process. So yes, enjoy the transformation of this table, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, so I've stripped it, and now I actually think I need to take the legs off, and that'll be easier to actually sand the legs, especially these crossbars. So I think I'm gonna just take off the bottom here and see what we can do. Right. So I'm going to use some poly wax sealer on this table.